Apple has finally done it. After much anticipation, the iPhone 16e is now official. This marks a major shift in Apple's mid-range strategy as the iPhone 16e replaces the SE series while bringing some significant upgrades. Though it may not match the flagship iPhone 16 in every aspect when it comes to software and AI features, the 16e is definitely holding its ground. Now let's dive in and see what Apple has been working on for the past 3 years, since the last iPhone SE launched all the way back in 2022. First up, the display and design. The iPhone 16e comes with a larger 6.1-inch OLED display, meaning Apple has officially transitioned all of its devices to OLED. It still retains the notch, housing the front camera and Face ID sensors, and sticks to a 60Hz refresh rate, something that might be a bit underwhelming for 2025. The design itself is much closer to Apple's latest iPhones. The home button is gone, making way for Face ID, and the classic ring/silent switch has been swapped for the action button, which was first introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro series. The body features an aluminum frame with ceramic shield glass on both the front and back, offering a premium feel. However, Apple has kept color choices simple. Black and white are your only options. Moving on to the camera setup, the iPhone 16e features a single 48-megapixel rear camera with an integrated 2x telephoto zoom for high-quality optical zoom. On the front, there's a 12-megapixel selfie camera. While the SE series has never been known for its cameras, Apple has given this model a notable upgrade, making it a solid choice for everyday photography, even if it won't compete with the flagship Pro models. When it comes to battery and charging, Apple, as usual, hasn't revealed the exact battery capacity, but leaks suggest it's around 3279 mAh. Apple claims this is the longest battery life ever on a 6.1-inch iPhone, lasting 6 hours longer than the iPhone 11 and 12 hours longer than any SE model. Charging speeds reach up to 20 watt with the wired USB-C charger, and it also supports 15-watt wireless charging. That's a welcome upgrade, but still not the fastest charging on the market. Now let's talk about what truly makes the iPhone 16e stand out: Apple Intelligence. Apple's AI-powered features are taking center stage in this device thanks to the powerful A18 chipset, the same processor found in the base iPhone 16. It's paired with 8 GB of RAM and offers 3 storage options: 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. This is the first time Apple has offered such high storage capacities in a mid-range iPhone. So what exactly does Apple Intelligence bring to the table? Here's a quick rundown of its standout AI features. A smarter, more conversational Siri, although its full potential will roll out later. Intelligent search in Safari, allowing users to highlight key topics and get quick summaries of web pages. Meanwhile, Samsung is getting ready to introduce the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56, and nothing is expected to reveal the phone 3A on March 4. The phone 3A is rumored to include a telephoto camera, a rare feature in a mid-range segment. That wraps up everything you need to know about the iPhone 16e. What do you think? Does this phone excite you, or are you eyeing other mid-range options from competitors? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. See you on the next video. Series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 GB of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 GB across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 GB as standard, with 512 GB available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.